What's up, people? Let me just give you a quick tutorial on how to set up Xdebug with PhpStorm in combination with Laravel Homestead. First things first, you have to understand that Laravel Homestead has already installed Xdebug for you. If you just go to your normal page, you will see this if you have a clean install, of course. And then if you, oh, it's connecting, sorry. Shouldn't have done that. Alright, again, let me just uncomment this xdebug.info, and you see that it's set up and it's actually trying to connect. So the only thing you need to do is configure Xdebug inside of the server. So there's a few things. First, vagrant SSH in there. And you have to understand that your computer is actually a different computer for your virtual box, and most of you probably understand what I mean by that. So your computer actually has an IP address inside of the virtual box, which you can find like this. Yeah, you enter this, and then you have the IP address over here. So the next thing you can do is sudo vim, and then go to this configuration ini file. So I hope you pressed pause just then. I went a bit quick. So now we have to configure this. If you want to insert using Vim, you have to press insert on your computer, on your keyboard, and then just copy these settings. Put your IP address that you just found over here. You can use 9000 or 9003. If you're using an older version of PhpStorm, be aware. This screwed me over for a few hours. Go to settings, go to PHP, then debug, and then look at the ports that are enabled for debugging. Yeah, once you've done that, you can press escape, then semicolon, WQ, exclamation mark, and then save. Alright, cool. Next thing is to restart the PHP service inside of the server, the vagrant server. So you just do this, enter, nice. Now we have to set up PhpStorm. So let me just disable this before it screws me over again. Yeah, we'll just press this at configuration. We press the plus sign. We go to PHP web page. We call it Xdebug because that's a fun name. Then we go to server, and yeah, I've already set up two, but I'm just going to show you. So I named it homestead.test. It's referring to the URL that I was using over here. This just works if you have set it up in your hosts file, but you, well, probably have done it yourself. So that, then we have the port over here. Don't change it, just use the defaults. Press OK. Now we have to go into press apply, of course. Press OK. Now we got a configuration thing over here. Now we have to open this, or just click on it. So now it's listening. Then let's go to the web page. So we got an extension over here. It's called Xdebug Helper. Right click it, options, select PhpStorm over here. So if you copied the configuration things correctly, then you would have set up an IDE key which matches this one. So press save. Now everything should be set up correctly. So let's click on this with the left mouse button this time and press debug. And yes, so now they're both listening, and if everything's alright, then it should be set up correctly. I went a bit quick, I think. I forgot one thing. In the server setup, like you go to the web page and you set up a server by pressing these three dots. And then we named it homestead.test and we put the host name there. I forgot one thing. You have to go to your wait, this is wrong. You have to go to your root folder of your website. So example-app for me, and my env files in here and all those things. And you have to click over here and put this in here. So the folder inside of your server. And then apply. Now it's set up. And we should be able to validate, I think. And it's again not reachable. Well, that's just how it works, you know. Even if you've set it up like 10 times, it doesn't want to work sometimes. But let's just try over here. It might be that I've forgot something. Oh yeah, it works. As you can see, it halted here, but I've set up this halt on the first line sort of thing. Let me just check if I can disable that. Right. Did it again. Alright, so it works. You can be sure that it works for you. This shouldn't be happening though. It's kind of awkward, right? Stop doing that. It did it again. Alright, so that sucks, but just be sure that it works for you. Don't set it up so it always breaks at the first line. That's super annoying. Like you can see now, I have to find out why I did that. So I hope this worked for you and it helped you a bit, and talk to you later.